Did you know that turmeric has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern science is now backing its incredible health benefits? If you've ever wondered why this vibrant yellow spice is so special, stick around because we're about to dive into the top 10 health benefits of turmeric that you absolutely need to know. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about turmeric, a spice that's not just a pretty face in your curry. It's packed with powerful medicinal properties that have been cherished in cultures worldwide. So let's get ready to unlock the secrets of this golden wonder and see how it can benefit our health. Now let's face it, we all deal with health issues at some point in our lives. Whether it's chronic inflammation, pesky digestive problems, or even skin issues, these challenges can really take a toll on our quality of life. The good news is, turmeric could be your new best friend. This spice has shown promise in tackling some of these common health concerns, and understanding how it works can empower us to take charge of our well-being. So, let's take a closer look at what turmeric can do. Alright, let's dive into those 10 amazing health benefits of turmeric. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. This means it can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to countless health issues. Enhanced brain function. Studies suggest that curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, promoting brain function and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Heart health. Turmeric can support heart health by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, which helps regulate blood pressure and blood clotting. Pain relief. Whether it's joint pain or muscle soreness, turmeric has been shown to provide natural pain relief, making it a great alternative to over-the-counter medications. Digestive Aid. Turmeric can promote healthy digestion and may help alleviate symptoms of bloating and gas, making it a fantastic addition to your meals. Boosts immunity. With its antioxidant properties, turmeric can help bolster your immune system, giving you a better chance at fighting off illnesses. Skin health. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, turmeric is a popular ingredient in skincare products, helping with acne and other skin conditions. Cancer prevention. Some studies indicate that curcumin may help prevent cancer by interfering with the growth and spread of cancerous cells. Weight management. Turmeric may aid in weight loss efforts by reducing inflammation and promoting fat metabolism. Lastly, turmeric has been linked to improved mood and may help alleviate symptoms of depression, giving your mental health a little extra love. Now here's the kicker. The most surprising benefit of turmeric that many people don't know is its potential to enhance your brain health. By increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, turmeric may actually help protect your brain from aging and cognitive decline. That's pretty mind-blowing, right? Imagine adding a sprinkle of turmeric to your meals and reaping these incredible benefits for your brain. So there you have it. We've covered 10 powerful health benefits of turmeric, from fighting inflammation to boosting brain function. It's clear that incorporating this golden spice into your daily routine can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. So, if you haven't already, now is the perfect time to start enjoying turmeric. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried turmeric in your diet? What benefits have you noticed? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about natural health tips, don't forget to check out our next video on superfoods you should include in your diet. Thanks for watching and see you next time.